It is of the utmost importance that you see my interview playlist on James Jackson. My 9 witnesses, now 15 witnesses to PSYOP on the covertly drunk playlist. You go to the channel, click the playlist tab, whatever. And you watch the whole thing, and you also see the Afro-Asiatic or emergency download this playlist. Basically, the Buddhists, I had to check some Buddhists. I had to check 3 Buddhists today. I punked them. They didn't want to fight. I told them to back up. The last 2, I made them pay obeisance. Because I warned them, they were harassing me so much, I had to tell them, hey, leave me, you better leave me alone. So today I made it clear, I drew my lines. I didn't break the law. I said, look, you better back up. Because if I feel threatened, I will defend myself, in the full, within my rights, So, I have my own way of saying it. And so I put a lot of white people and Asians in check today, and yes, they are harassing me. And yes, I'm rolling around by myself, and they will use that. So remember, we don't go by the white man's law. We have our own leopard law, all right? Continually pestered by my parents in the middle of nowhere. It makes me go out, and sometimes I go out high. And also, the police came by today. My mom supposedly didn't answer the phone, and they came, and I told them about the white establishment. I don't want whites, Jews, and Asians to go down in history as scum, so please stop what you're doing, okay? Because the whole world is going to know that I'm right and you're wrong, and this is about you raising your children to respect people like you, and not the people who have a superior mind, body, heart, and soul, and that's wrong.